Hey guys, welcome back to TBH Plant-Based Reviews.
I'm Brianna.
And I'm Tyler.
Today we're going to be bringing you one of our recipes. It is...
Tofu Bok Choy in a Sesame Soy sauce.
And it is delicious.
Yo, yeah.
It's definitely a staple meal of ours, and we hope you guys give it a try.
Yeah. Get your sauce ready. Place all the ingredients into a measuring cup. You're going to want to cook your peppers for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the bok choy. Cook for another 3 minutes until the greens start to wilt. Then add your tofu. Make sure you're not mixing it too hard so you don't break the tofu up. And add in the sauce mixture. Then just let that simmer down for about 20 to 25 minutes. Stirring occasionally, maybe every 5 minutes.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you did like these original recipes.
Sam Squanch would like you to rate this recipe.
Meow.
See you guys next time. Thanks.
Thanks.